Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
I first must not push up there.
I don't want to play the football.
You can do it. Come on, man, you can do it.
When I time I tear me out here, I have something for me and go home.
There was no way possible I could have catch a little boy there. When I do the math in my head, it just never happens. So.
After all the drama on the football field, we decided our contestants might need a little break. Or not. I'm Talia Suarez and Losing It, the wait is over starts now.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, after hour, work is never over. Work is never over. Work is never over.
This week the contestants head to the beach and Jason gives them a dance class they'll never forget. But before we get to all that, let's see how they got on this past week.
Guys, we're working the legs today. We're doing inner thigh squat, leg press over here. All right? 4 sets of 20. Ready? And go.
Siobhan was so annoying this week. Like, Siobhan, he knew what was happening, because I remember one time in the group he said, "This is the first time I'm losing it, I don't know what is going on, and when I don't know what is going on, I know exactly what is happening." And what he knew what was happening is exactly what was happening. We were slacking up. We still came in and tried to do our best in the gym. Siobhan is such an extremist. I kid you not.
Keep your chest out. In the challenges, we've been doing a lot of legs, you know, work for running, squat, lunges. So you have to strengthen the legs. I gave them leg press and squat as well. You know, and it was 50 pounds for the squat. That dumbbell that you saw is a 50-pound dumbbell.
Doing the squats, you have to make sure that you maintain the posture with your chest out. You have to make sure you go all the way down and come back up, and that was so heavy. I think that's when Jade and I hit our breaking point.
It's my first time going on that machine, the leg work. It wasn't so difficult. It's the extent of it.
Control. Come on, Jay. Come on, down with it.
Siobhan is a 6 sets, 20 rep, 30 rep type of guy. If you're getting 4 sets, think about 30, 35. If you argue, you're going to get 40. He pushed us to the extreme. I was getting irritated by it at one point.
One of the time we have to be like, "Siobhan, can you just chill? We're going to give you something. We might not give you the 7 and the 10, but we're going to give you something."
I can't remember a time when I've told Siobhan, yes, I'm ready to do the workout.
He really tried to push us hard, but we rebelled this week. Jade and I literally rebelled this week and said, "No, we're not doing it."
Give me 10 more for this one. Ready?
No, you can't get 10
Come on, man. Give me 10 more.
You can't get 10 more.
Jay, give me 10 more.
20.
Jay, you want to give me 20 more? She giving me 20 more. I know that Jade and Kim can push, but when them start give up, you know, I was feeling down because I know that they can do more, and I wasn't even getting 50% from them in that workout.
This is reality. We don't have any shots taking, we don't have any pills taking in, we don't have these things. This is a natural thing. So I was getting irritated with the extreme workout for one day. I didn't want to put my body into some sort of distress. Yes, trainers know best, oh Lord. I know.
They were crying, but they push it and they did it well.
He is who he is. It's just us to embrace that. We knew what happened to us this week. We knew something went wrong. But the thing about Blue Team, when something goes wrong, we go back to the drawing board and we're coming back.
So Sarah, Andre, today we're going to work some shoulders, bicep and tricep. Just total arm work. 2. So the training this week, basically upper body, was because we did in the week a mixture of lower and upper body. We did mostly lower body.
The upper body training was good. mostly because that's what we do most of the time.
I was okay with that one, but I realized I was actually struggling at some point in time. I was like, why am I struggling with the 8-pound thing?
I've been doing upper body all week. So I said, Master Brian, we really are going to do this again? They must say, yeah, we have to gain muscle and blah, 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 blah. I don't really like weight.
It really doesn't matter if Sarah complains. I am just here to give her what is necessary. For them, I think they needed more strengthening in the lower region. I think with the challenges also, they need to be more confident that, you know, they can run and jump and step, because it's not just about getting them into my world of health and fitness. It's about me trying to understand what they're going through. I know that even with Andre, he's just afraid to go down on the ground, you know, because of the difficulty of getting up back. And I know for her is that she has certain limitations.
In terms of the training, he has actually changed some of the stuff that we're doing. He has actually turned up a notch on me in terms of what we're doing. So I think with each week comes with its own challenge.
Just stretch your arms out. You have to lean forward more to get the angle. Bend your knees a little bit. Good.
What I realize is that I'm actually completing the tasks. I realize that with each, so for example, if I'm supposed to do like one lap, usually when I started I could just barely walk around the field, but now I realize that I can do the one lap with ease, and then he will say, all right, go ahead and go for the 2 laps, and so I know I'm at 3. I don't know where else he's going to go with that.
Exercise is not just about strength, about how much you can lift. It's about a scientific approach that basically you can use to fatigue your muscles, to get them into what is called an oxidative state, to burn fat calories. And that was the aim. So the exercises that I put together with the amount of sets and reps did just that. It fatigued them so that you know, they could be in an oxidative state to burn more fat calories.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Okay guys, we're going to be doing abs today, so you guys can get your 6-pack. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3.
The week's been good. Put in the work, and I was a little bit worried when I was going to Montego Bay for 2 days. You know, I said, Lord, you know, I'm gonna miss gym, but I was very determined to say, even though I'm gonna be at work, I'm gonna put in some extra work.
4 and 5. Very good.
The workout this week was a bit more intense. Audrey was unavailable some days, so I worked with the blue team. Jade and Kim. Some motivator they are. Them help Siobhan kill me this week.
Go. 1:50.
I wasn't there that day, so I asked her if Master Brian or Siobhan was there. So she went with Siobhan and he did a number on her.
Now I see why the blue team call him Torture. Him rough. Bad too.
Keep going. Come. Twist, twist. Remember, you want that nice stomach?
We haven't been doing much at work because we're trying to do more cardio weight training. So I decided that I'll give them to pay attention for half an hour just doing abs, so they can start burning more fat around the waist.
Them abs thing that are easy, you know, man. Audrey have a look of style, you know. It might look some simple routine, so you should start off with the sit-up and the burpees and all them something there. But say, okay guys, 20, 3 sets of 20, 3 sets.
This week I did ab work with Audrey. I don't think I like all of them because I struggled with one mostly.
Them ab work, man. Terrible, man. You want to move our car over through the camera upon you, you're shame, you have to come up. Like start chanting them something, you know, like start your body.
Take a deep breath. And we're going again. So we're starting again with the sit-ups. Okay?
They complain a lot doing the ab work, but you know they have to do it.
Come on, Ava, come on. 9, you can do it.
No, because them away every week. Every week them away, so you're monitoring yourself and you know what is at stake and you get to understand your body much better. Because by this week you lose the weight, you're going to eat, obviously, you're human, you're going to eat, you're going to put it on back. But you have to work double now to maintain what you have lost and to lose some additional pounds. So it's a lot, but it's worth it. It's worth it.
One, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Okay, that's it. Very good.
When we get back, the contestants show off their skills on the dance floor. Get your workout gear on. Losing It will be back in a flash.